Ez már kollégium. Az uszonyát. It's so cute. Minkäs lavane? Da. The scars, they echo through the years. The silence only breeds more tears. For every choice, however small, can light a path or turn them all. And we move too fast to hear the call, when it only takes one slip to fall. Sit down and wait and start the healing. Step out of line and feel what's real. Lower your guard, open the borders. Stop the feeding of this hollow game, because it's only leading to more pain. And it's love that we need to remain young. Now why don't we water gardens and let seeds become the flowers with all this rain? And why make up all these borders without thinking more before about all the pain? If we carry less and cared a little more about the things we share, 'cause we're all the same. If we soften hearts and share a little, find the path that's in the middle, there's so much more to gain. Sit down